Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dove 1.8% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 3.9% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair skyrocketed 2.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair dropped 4.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 4.2% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US stocks sank sharply, giving back some of the huge gains that followed President Donald Trump's decision to postpone many of his sweeping tariffs on dozens of countries, as investors assessed the status of his global trade war and the impact of even harsher levies on China. Bitcoin spot ETFs faced significant pressure amid ongoing global trade war. Between March 28th and April the 8th, these ETFs experienced net outflows totaling $595 million. Even after most US import tariffs were temporarily lifted on April the 9th, the funds still recorded an additional $127 million in net outflows. Sterling was buffeted by moves elsewhere, jumping 1% against an under-pressure dollar and dropping more on the resurgent euro as currency markets swung in the aftermath of the previous day's shock postponement of some tariffs.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT. Germany's current account at 12:30 GMT. Germany's consumer price index at 6 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The US producer price index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.